Welcome to All Green Noom Kitchen. My name is Jim John Marks. This is our first pseudo video, crab pasta salad. All of these ingredients are green, including the whole wheat pasta. The only item that's pre-prepared here is this fiesta slaw, which is just a mix of Brussels sprouts and broccoli and things of that nature. I use Alton Brown's cold water method for cooking this pasta, and it holds up very nicely. You can cut the Krab to match the size of your pasta very simply, or you can shred it by hand, although this takes quite a bit longer. It will give you a nicer texture if you take the time to tear it up. Be sure to remove the ends from the snap peas before slicing them thin. Those end bits are quite chewy. I use a paring knife to put the radial cuts into the onion. I find I get much more control that way. Be sure not to cut right down into the bud, and then I come back with a chef's knife to make my small cuts. I do try to make everything match the size of the pasta that I'm using. Remove the seedy portion from your cucumbers, but save it, don't throw it away. I'll show you what to do with that in a minute. And again, I come back with the chef's knife to make my final cuts. Same thing with the bell peppers. I use a paring knife to remove the ends and the stems, and then to get as much of the white membrane and seeds out of the inside as you can, because they don't taste like anything. Again, save those ends, however, but not the seeds and the membrane. Come back with the chef's knife to cut. I'm tossing everything by hand in this large bowl so as not to bruise or damage things with a metal spoon at this stage. Do let the pasta 100% cool before you toss it in, and then you can infuse gin with your leftover peppers and cucumbers. And this is all green until you put dressing on it.